Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data. Backup photos, contacts, and account passwords because a factory reset removes everything. Once backed up, make sure the battery is above 50% or plug into power. Abrupt shutdown during reset can brick the device. Now power off the Realme C53, then press and hold volume up and power together. When the recovery menu appears, release keys. This gets you to the built-in recovery tools that perform the reset safely. Once in recovery, you navigate with volume keys and confirm with power. Highlight Wipe Data/Factory, reset to remove user data and settings. This is the option that restores factory state. You may see a confirmation prompt, confirm it. This prevents accidental data loss. The system will perform multiple erase operations and show progress messages. Stay patient and do not remove battery or power. Wiping clears caches and accounts, so the phone returns to a clean starting. After wiping finishes, choose Reboot System now so the phone restarts and completes initial setup. You'll sign into your Google account and restore backups if needed. If the device stalls on the logo, try re-entering recovery, then wipe cache partition or repeat the factory reset to clear residual issues. If problems persist, you may need to reflash the stock firmware or seek authorized service. This avoids warranty voiding and fixes deeper software corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.